Before humankind marked time with numbers and ticking hands of a clock, the world already moved to ancient clocks, the eternal clocks, hidden deep within every living soul on this planet. The biological clock. In the heart of the forest, time beats in silence, unseen but unceasing. As the first rays reach the treetops, an invisible orchestra stirs into the forests. Tiny molecular clocks deep within the cell awaken the singers of the forest. Triggered by the delicate light, the suprachiasmatic nucleus, a cluster of neurons smaller than a grain of rice, tells the body, it is time now.